Good morning, scholars. Happy Sports Day for Spirit Week. As you can see, I got my Broncos gear on. Really excited for the NFL season to hopefully start. Make sure that you're wearing your favorite jersey, your favorite team socks, your favorite team shirts, anything to celebrate Sports Day today for math. We're going to do something totally different, and I'm counting on you to be those independent learners I know you are going to be. So, what I need you to do, I need you to grab a pencil, a scratch piece of paper, and materials that you have 10 of. So I have 10 squares, so I'm going to use 10 squares. But say you have 10 Legos, you can grab 10 Legos or 10 crayons or whatever you have that you have 10 of, okay? So go ahead and pause the video right now and grab that material and then meet me back for some fun math. Okay, scholars, now that you have all of your materials, let's go ahead and get started. So I miss school so much that I replicated what my desk would look like if I was back at school. I have my name tags, and then I have my materials. Real quick, I want you to double check that you grabbed enough materials. So let's go ahead and count the number of cubes that I have and make sure that you are counting the number of objects that you have. So if you have Legos, count your Legos. If you have crayons, count your crayons. Okay, get ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we both have 10 items. Now, here's what I need you to do. I need you to take one of your items and move it to the top of your workspace. So I'm going to take one of my cubes and I'm going to move it to the top of my name tag, because if we were at school, that's what we would be doing. Now, how many cubes do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I didn't take any cubes away, right? I didn't lose any cubes. I still have 10 cubes, but now I have two different parts. I have 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals 10. So I can see that 1 plus 9 equals 10. Now, here's where math becomes independent. On the next screen, you're going to see a list of addition problems that you are going to solve on your own. And all you have to do is you have to continue to break apart your materials and get the two parts that equal 10. So in this case, we found that 1 plus 9 more equals 10, okay? Because I see that 1 plus 9 more equals 10. So here is the screen that I want you to pause on. Now, before you pause, we already figured out the first problem. I took away 1 cube, and I put 1 cube on my name tag. And I saw that I still had 9 cubes left over. So 1 plus 9 equals 10, okay? So 1 and 9 more equals 10. Now, go ahead and pause the video and continue working on your own. If you get frustrated, remember, you can do it, and then come back and check your work. Okay, scholars, now that you guys completed all of that math work by yourself, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back because you guys did it and you did wonderful. Now, I'm going to show you what I did to help me solve my problems. Remember, we already did the first one. So I'm going to fill in my first one. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Now I'm going to make sure I don't have my name tag anymore, but I'm going to move one of my cubes here. So this is going to be one part, and this is going to be two parts, okay? So now, if I have 1 cube, I already took my 1 away. Now, what if I want to add 1 more cube? So I have 1, 2. So I'm going to fill in my first part. 2, because I have 2 cubes, and I'm going to see 2 plus how many more will equal 10. So 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. So let's count. So I have 1, 2, and I'm going to count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to add on. I'm going to take away one more cube and add it to my other part. So now I see that I have 3. I'm going to fill in my 3 plus how many equals 10. So I have 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals 10. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's keep going. Let's go a little bit faster. So I'm going to take away 1 cube from here and add it to my other part. I now see that 4 is my next part. So I'm going to fill in 4. And let's count on 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. Okay, let's go again. Let's see. Let's take away 1 more and add it to my next pile or my next part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, 5. And I don't even need to count because I know that I had 5 black cubes and I had 5 blue cubes. And I see that on this tower, there's no more black cubes. So I know that this tower or this part equals 5. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Let's double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now I'm going to continue and I'm going to move 1 more here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 more makes 6. So I need to write in 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now you're thinking, but wait a minute, Miss Samajic, you already did 4 plus 6 equals 10. Why are you doing 6 plus 4 equals 10? Well, that's because they still both equal 10. It's just in a different order. So if you only did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this part, go ahead and pause right now and find all the other ways, even if you still use those numbers, okay? Okay, now that you guys finished the entire thing and you fixed it, let's go ahead and keep working. So I'm gonna move 1 more cube over. And I know I have 5 black cubes, so 5, 6, 7. I'm using my 5-way drawing using cubes. 7 plus 1, 2, 3 equals 10. Okay, let's keep going. Cube. I know I have 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 plus 1, 2 equals 10. We're almost there. 1 more to my other part. So I know I started out with 8 and I added 1 more. So 8 and 1 more, 8 plus 1 is 9. I'm going to fill in 9. Well, I'm using all different strategies, guys. 9 plus, and I have 1 more cube left, equals 10. Now I still have 1 more spot. Let's see. Okay, let's move my cube over to my part. So I now see that all 10 of my cubes are here. So I'm going to do 10 plus, and I see I have no more cubes left on my other pile. So 10 plus 0 equals 10. Okay, scholars, it is now time for our exit ticket. Here's what I need you to do. You are going to circle the ways to make 10. You guys can use your materials if you need help. Go ahead and pause the video right now and do it on your own. Then come back and check your work. Okay, now that you guys completed the work on your own, let's look at my work. So it says, circle the ways to make 10. Okay, so it says 5 plus 5 equals 10. So let's see, I have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Let's count 5 more. 1, 2, 3, that's 4, 5. Okay, so now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one works. So I'm going to circle this one. Okay, 2 plus 6 equals 10. Let's go ahead and double check. So I have 2, 1, 2 plus 6. So I'm going to draw 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's count to double check that it equals 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope, does not equal 10. I'm not going to circle it. Okay, 4 plus 8 equals 10. Let's check. So I'm going to draw 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 8. So I'm going to draw 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nope, not 10, not going to circle it. So 9 plus 1. Ooh, let's circle or draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1 equals, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, so I'm going to circle this one. So now I know that 5 plus 5 more equals 10, and I know that 9 plus 1 more equals 10. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back, and I will see you back tomorrow. Tomorrow is GLA day, so make sure to wear your GLA swag and join me for math. Have a wonderful day. I miss you guys.